What you want to think that the reel is, has something to do. Okay, let me hold that on to me. He's going to come back this way. Come on back. Go, Shelly. I've never understood why folks are in such a big hurry to crank things in. I'm just playing the fun part.
All right!
Way to go, Shelly! We'll get a picture of him on the camera. If you got him. Hand me that wood gaff right there and we'll lift him up out of the water.
Oh, he's beautiful.
He's waving to us. Hello. He's going.
Get a picture of the ray. Get up there. Come on, baby.
That's right, that's the way to do it. Pop it right there. A lot of people have a hard time to. They think the reel is a little winch. Oh, it is over here. You got it, you got it.
Ta-da!
You don't get them out of the water. In the back of the boat. Shelly's up front. Fighting. Must be a big one. There he is. There she blows. Pull him up, don't let him go into this.
Oh, no.
Hey, give him that. Where'd you drop the anchor at just in? Oh, he's coming to you. Put out on it. It might be easy.
God. Oh, I'm about to lose a rod here.
You got it. Need some help, Shy?
Yes.
Okay.
Get back. Oh, you got it?
We need more definite cries for help than that. We don't want to have to guess if you need help.
I have no breath to cry.
Oh, wait, here he comes, right over here. He's down there somewhere. Let's watch Shelly fight. Let's get Shelly's expression on her face.
No, don't do that.
Okay, Shelly. So come look over here and smile for everybody in Wichita Falls.
Hi.
Okay, go ahead and bring him in, Shelly. Yeah, we don't have all day. Let's go.
He's tired. He's tired.
Yeah. Another mighty denizen. Oh, wait.
You're the toughie. You're there. I'm getting tired.
Yay, Shelly.
I made you get a little bit tired too.
Wait, let's watch her go down the boat with the rod in her hand.
Oh, let's roll, let's roll.
Let's go, Shelly. This is supposed to be a pretty big one. It's pretty hot and heavy going on right here. I'm going to turn it off. This is it. It's just taking the line out. You can see it's taking Shelly's line out. See if we can see it running out. And the captain's operating the boat to keep the fish behind us, so we don't have to.
Look at it. God, that's a nice fish.
cranking?
Did you see him boil beside the boat? While I was cranking it tight?
Close, wasn't it?
And he was getting ready to jump in the boat. I had one jump in the boat one time, put a scar right there on it.
Can you give us an
Easy 150.
Easy 150, huh? And about how much time? Right now, the fish was hooked at 1:30.
We're going close to an hour, getting close to an hour and a half, ain't we?
It's 2:42. It was hooked at 1:30, so it's about an hour and 15 minutes. Give us about an estimate of how much longer.
Oh, it's going to be another hour.
Another hour for the Moby Dick. Moby Dick of Tarpon. Out there somewhere, we just can't see him yet.
Really pay attention, Doc.
It is now 5